Are you being nice to women all the time and still getting disrespected? Are you trying everything to impress them and still getting friend-zoned? The only reason for this is your desperation. You have become so desperate to get a woman that you have become a simp. And it doesn't matter how much friendly women are to simps, they will never choose a simp for themselves. Women want a man who can handle their tantrums, but at the same time stays calm and composed in their dramas. They don't want a yes ma'am guy. They want a man who can treat them like a queen while remembering that he is a king himself and have the attitude of such. And we have tips for you that will make you a women-attracting magnet from the nice, friendly guy next door. And fear not, if you are already stuck in the simp zone, these tips will equally work for you. So number 1 is, establish boundaries. A real man knows his limits and doesn't let anyone take advantage of him. He establishes clear boundaries in relations and stands firm on them. If he likes someone, he stands clear on it. If he doesn't, he doesn't. He values himself, his time, his work over any women, and is kind, but doesn't bend for impressing them. A man who is too nice and constantly sacrificing his own needs and desires in order to please others can lead to being labeled as a simp. Just remember that if you will respect yourself, others will respect you, and if you start bending for others' happiness, they will start using you only for their happiness. Learn to let go. If you have set clear boundaries with someone and they want to go, let them. Stand firm in your decisions and don't become desperate. Don't be just friends if in real you want something else. Remember that if you make them stay by begging, you will keep begging in this relation and you will only hurt yourself. Let them go and focus on yourself, and you will thank yourself later on. Maintain your independence. A true alpha knows that his life doesn't revolve around a woman, and in the end he will only have himself. He doesn't sacrifice his dreams or personal ventures for the sake of a relationship. He prioritizes his health, his family, his goals above anything else. And when he does this, women gets attracted to him because that's what women crave in men. Just don't let a relationship consume your entire existence. Focus on your personal growth, maintain a strong circle of brothers, and let your partner see that you are a man who have a greater purpose in life than chasing any woman. Embrace your masculinity. Being a man isn't just about having a beard or flexing those muscles. It's about embracing your primal instincts and channeling them into greatness. Listen to your inner self and it will tell you to stand tall, walk with a head held high and have high self-esteem, and that high self-esteem won't allow you to drain your manpower for any woman. No woman is worth simping. No woman is worth destroying your masculinity. Expand your inner masculine energy. Let your voice resonate like thunder, and your presence dominate the room. And don't wag your tongue looking at women. They are just another person. Don't worship them like a god. Avoid excessive flattery. Always remember the push-pull method. Showing too much interest will make you look desperate, and showing too much disinterest will make you look rude. You must find a fine line between the two. I am not saying no to complimenting someone. Compliments are fine, but too much flattery screams desperation. Instead of bombarding someone with too much praise, engage in genuine conversations and build real connections. And don't be too serious, because when you compliment someone, mostly the next person will get nervous, and you have to lighten the mood, and you can release the tension by teasing them or by joking around. Just don't beg for attention by complimenting every single thing you see in her. Praise only those things that you really like. Don't idealize someone. She is not the one. There is no such thing as the one. She is ordinary just like others, and just because you think she is a queen, she shows the attitude of a queen in front of you. Treat her like a normal person, and you will throw her on the ground, and now she will see that you are above her in every aspect. Come on, there are too many women around you and you are ready to die for someone who don't give an F about you? That's pathetic. Be a man and stop worshiping her. Value her genuine nature and let her see the powerful man you are. Set realistic expectations and never settle for anything less than the respect and admiration you deserve. Remember that she is just other women who will behave the way you treated her. If you treat her like a queen, treating yourself like an ordinary man yourself, she will walk over you and look for someone who treat her the way in which he treats himself. So normalize it all, know your worth, and never let a woman disrespect you.